Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be talking to you guys really briefly about League of Legends and how it's coming to iOS, Android, and consoles. Very exciting news. I was actually really shocked when I first seen this. I was not expecting it whatsoever. I would love to hear your comments and what you guys think about the game down below. But I'll show you guys quickly the website and how to register for the closed beta so you can play it as soon as possible. We don't have any release date as of right now. It just says coming soon, but this is the Wild Rift website right here. I'll have this linked in the description as well as in the comment section for you guys to come here and go ahead and register yourselves for the closed beta. But very, very exciting game here. We can sign up for game updates as well if you would like to. And then there's just some patch notes and latest news right here. Just if you guys want to check it out, as well as the trailer. I'm not going to play the trailer in this video, but like I said, I'll link this in the description so you guys can just go ahead and check out the launch trailer if you haven't seen it yet. I am personally very excited. I will be playing this game myself as it has a lot of the champions that we're used to from the full game, as you guys see right here on the website. There's a lot of information on here too. You can play with your friends as well as a full squad, which is kind of cool as well if you have lots of friends that play it. No confirmation on any skins or anything like that, but I assume the game's going to be free with some kind of paid in-game kind of stuff. That's what I would expect, at least. That's where a lot of games are headed. Anyhow, this looks very, very exciting. I will keep you guys up to date if there's any new news in the future about this, but I just wanted to let you guys know, if you guys are unaware, that League of Legends is coming to iOS. Very, very exciting. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.